Hi, tonight I'm gonna make honey and spice glazed pork shoulder. Honey glazed spicy, honey glazed spicy. I got a pork here. Fresh pork roast. This is 8.28 pounds, so a little over 8.25 pounds, $18.13. That's $2.19 a pound. I'm gonna use an Instant Pot pressure cooker, but I'm gonna slow cook it. And I could use this lid and just not lock the pressure in, but I want to use a glass lid, and I'm going to do this for like 9 hours overnight, which I never did before in a slow cooker. I did a smoker like that already. But I have this glass lid. I have a little rack inside just to keep it up off the bottom, let the juice get underneath. This is an 8-quart Instant Pot. Has a slow cook function, as you know. We'll get to that next. I'm gonna cut this open, put it inside, put some seasoning on it. It's gonna be so easy. You can do it. It's gonna fall apart. Think I'll eat it for breakfast? Maybe. I'm gonna put it in, what, 9 o'clock tonight? 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 o'clock in the morning. I could have added that up. I did, see? We even got chicken cooking over here, look at the same time. Oh, fresh pot of perked coffee. Man. And what day is this? I don't even know. Days don't matter anymore. Every day's a holiday. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Mama.
It's a holiday today for us.
So I'm special. So special. Let me put my 2 cups of water in here. Remember, I have a little tiny rack. Don't talk back. Just a little one. Here comes the meat. That's heavy. I think I should have weighed it. Oh, nice though. Wait till you see it in the morning. First, I want to drizzle on some honey. Oh, stunt honey. Bring in the stunt honey. Get some drizzling going on. You know how this is if you get a tool in there. Look at this though. Watch, see? Can you see it nicely?
Oh yeah.
You want to lick it now or tomorrow? Let me get my measuring spoon out. Oh, here we go. Here comes the good part. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm going to do this on the top and the bottom. Okay. Did I say 2? 1 top, 1 on the bottom. That's what I'm going to do. That's my plan. 1 tablespoon of cumin, which I like a lot. When we smoke, we use this for our rub. You gotta get that or taste it one time in your life, unless you know. Make a mess. It's okay. Look, I should have took that shaker off, shouldn't I?
It works.
We're generous. And 2 of these chili powder. You can put red pepper flakes if you like at this point, or chili pepper, whatever you want to do. What did I learn last time? Take that off, right? That's like 1.5 there, right? Because I got some in there already. It's not rocket science. You can do it. Got everything on that side?
Yes.
Roll over. Roll over. There's a bone in there. Can't see it now. There's a part of it. I'll put some salt and pepper on then too, because everybody likes salt and pepper. But we got enough good seasoning in there. Drizzling. This is good for you too, isn't it? Crosshatch with the honey. It's gonna soak in. We could have marinated this in the refrigerator, but we're ready to go. So going heavy on this, right? 1.5, because that's what I ended with on the other side. I like to rub it, but no. I'd like to get in there. We should get one big enough that man can get inside of it. Walk around with a shovel throwing this on there. Is that one already? I forget.
That's
Woof.
nice. It's a lot of flavor there.
You wait.
But it's a big piece of meat.
You wait till breakfast. Here comes garlic powder. Yeah, I was a little sloppier on the other side, wasn't I? That's a lot. It's gonna soak in and permeate. If we did this under pressure, I would go for like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, because it's 9. How many pounds is it? I forget.
A little over 8.
That's my favorite cumin. Oh boy, oh boy. A little bit down the sides there. All right. Put anything else that you want in here. Instead of water, you could have used maybe orange juice or Coca-Cola or Dr. Pepper. I did that already. Inject it. I injected with Dr. Pepper already. It's pretty good. All right, that's gonna be good. Maybe if I wake up halfway through the night, if it shrank enough, I'll roll it over and do some salt and pepper on the other side. But right now, I'm happy with it. How about you?
Looks great to me.
And remember, I'm going to use a glass lid with a vent. Get all that extra fully out of there. Here we go. Let's see. Can you see this? Slow cook. 9 hours. Oh, delicious. And we can adjust less, normal, or more. We want to start with more, right? Because you want to kind of, why?
You want to heat up the meat quickly, then we'll turn it down to slow.
Okay, in about what, an hour and a half, 2 hours?
Yeah.
Unless we fall asleep?
Yeah.
She's helping me. Okay, I can't wait. We're going to enjoy this all night. We're going to watch a movie, have a snack. And I'm going to be smelling this in my dreams. I wonder if I'll be able to sleep all right. Can I sleep out here tonight? Can I sleep in the kitchen?
You'll smell it in the bedroom.
Maybe we could plug it in the bedroom.
Oh no. Oh, I have a feeling you'll be checking on it throughout the night.
Okay, I'll let you know. If I peek at it, I'll try to tell you. I don't want to wake nobody up. Go get yourself a pork shoulder and try this. It's easy. You could use a regular crock pot too. I'm just using the pressure cooker because it has the function, you know? And it's big. You can get a smaller one. We usually get 3 or 4 pounds, but that's nice. We're going to have leftovers. See ya. There's 5 hours remaining. Smells real good. I'm getting ready to go to bed for the night. Remember, I'm going to leave this here overnight. You want to take a peek quick? Look. Oh, it smells so good. Look at the seasoning on there. And the fat is going to melt down through it. Remember, I left the fat on top. I'm not going to turn it over yet. If I wake up during the night, I might turn it over. I expect it to shrink a little more. Have it on medium right now. Medium heat. 5 hours. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning. It's 5 a.m. I woke up. It smells good. It looks good. It's not quite all the way done yet. Look at that. I'm going to turn it over unless it breaks in half. I never did want 9 pounds that I can remember. Maybe I did. Did I? I don't remember. Don't flip it. There's the bone. Alright. I don't mind if it breaks apart a little bit. That might be nice, alright? Look at the juice in there. We're going to make a sauce. Okay. Remember the rack is down there. Yeah, it's tender. It's going to fall apart. Hang on. I'm trying to keep it together. Hi. Alright, goodbye, rack. Breakfast in America. Look at that, baby. Oh, alright. A couple more hours. And low and slow, I don't mind. That's the way to go. All right, let me get ready. I got some things to do this morning. I gotta go to the dentist. I don't want to say that. Help me! So I'm not gonna, I don't know. I might taste a piece. I could taste a piece now, but I'm gonna wait. I just woke up. Let me get some coffee. All right, we can smell this later. Oh. But I gotta take a piece. First. Oh, ooh, ooh. Oh, it's so good. With that spice mix we have in there. Alright, right back. 2 more hours. Low and slow way to go. It's been 12 hours. which I don't mind. It was low and slow. And like I said, if you did it in a pressure cooker, you'd probably do 2 hours. Look at this. Oh. It smells so good. We're not going to use all that juice, but we could make sauce out of it if we'd like to. Look at this. Here, boy. Oof. What a nice bone. I have this container here. Let me just pull some of this out. All right, you want to back up a little so we can see this better? Let's see. It smells so good, I just want to eat it. But I gotta wait, remember, I'm going somewhere. Oh. Is it gonna fit? Look at it. Put that on a roll. Will you put that on a roll for me, will you? Right there? Mm-hmm. I could use my bear claws. Maybe. Wow. Look at that. I made this so many times because I love it a lot. Made it in the pressure cooker many times, a few times in the slow cooker. Smoked it a few times. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna go to my Big Dipper over here because the tongs ain't handling it. Where's my dipper? A spider. You learned me that. Do you like it like me? So good. Can we make a soup out of this sauce or anything? Is that Carolina style? We could put our seasoning in here. You could make it hot, spicy if you like. Just let me try some of this first. You could take out extra fat if you don't like the extra fat in there. Fry them up how you like. But look at this. Oh, all right. You know, the clock is ticking and I have an appointment to go to. So I can't taste it now, but I want to share this with you. Hope you make it and I hope you enjoy it. Look it. Make it however you want. Put it on a roll. Put it with sauerkraut on a plate if you like. Put some spicy sauce in there if you like, but isn't it amazing? I love it very much. You know what I'm going to do with this? Until I come back from my appointment, I'm going to put a lid on it. If you recognize this, this is from the Hot Logic family size personal portable oven. They have smaller ones. Remember the Hot Logics? This is going to keep it warm. See the heating element in there? Zip it up, plug it in. And you could do some things with this. You can carry this off to your holiday meal or to work or to a picnic or wherever you want to go. But I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to wait until I come home from the dentist. And that's going to be just as hot and delicious. I just can't wait. Hot Logic's great. We cooked in them a lot from raw too. But it's perfect for this. We can leave this in here all day. It'll stay perfect. All right. Talk to you soon. Wish me luck. I don't like the dentist. Yes, I do. See ya.